So in today's compiler lab session, what we'll be dealing with, we'll doing the problems which we have discussed till now are, I think three labs are over. Okay, so one was I think number of counting number of lines, words, spaces. Okay, then for the valid identifier also the problem is you have done. Now see, and I think integer and float was the last program which you all did. So these all programs you have done and you have written the lex code for it. Okay, that's fine also. Now the thing is, today what we will be doing new is we will be implementing with the help of file handling all the previous problems, plus what the new problem which we are going to do today is this. Okay, design a lex code to extract all the HTML tags in the given HTML file with the help of file handling. What does it means? It means, sorry, it means you will be provided some input containing the HTML tags, uh, and also some of the input will be there which will not be containing, see, like this. Wait, okay, like this is HTML, and then something will be there, then HTML, it will be closed like this. Okay, so this is the input which we want. Actually it can be, there can be anything, and the input, the some of the input can be like this also. See, only hello is there. See, no HTML tags are given, so we don't want to extract this type of data. Okay, let me erase it all. So I think you got the problem which we are going to solve, or which we are going to handle today. Okay, just go through these slides also, these tables also. I think most of these will be completed. Now just go through once, it will help you for the further labs also and in this also. See, it means any character except new line. You have already seen that whenever the some rules are given previously, if that rule is matched, the corresponding the action is given, that action takes place, and it just comes out of it. Okay, from the rule section. Okay, this happens for the input. Now if none of the input is matched, then it is definitely to be accepted by the dot, mm, which is put at the last of the rule sections. Okay, like suppose it is given like this: rule number 2 and rule number 3 is 8 to, or dot, sorry, dot. It will say that if a input is given, this will be accepted and then it will come out. Okay, now if suppose it is given as ABC, then this will be accepted, it will come out. See, in ABC there is a flaw. In ABC this will be accepted. Why? Because A will be accepted on the first itself, so it will just come out. Suppose we give as BC as input, then where it falls under the rule number 2, it matches here and then just come out. Let's suppose what I did, I gave input as 9, then it is false, it is false, it is true always. If none of the condition is matched, dot means it will accept everything. Okay, so this is the use of dot. This is literal, you know very well. Now let this is also, you know, for new line we use the this rule. Tab, you know, you have already done the program. Yeah, this cap, if this is written just before the let's suppose it is written like this, what does it means? Starting with a, okay, or it can be written like this also. One more thing about this is it can be like this also. So it means not starting with AB. It works as a negation if it is given inside these angular brackets. Okay. Now this dollar is representing the end of line. Now see some of the patterns also. See, this means what? Let's see. This is given as A, then pipe symbol is there, and then B. It means either A or B. Okay. Not C. If it is given like this, A, pipe, B, and it is written in bracket, then it means either A or B or pipe. Okay, I think you better understood. It means the thing which is written in the bracket is itself means as the treated as a or. Okay, AB plus. These are the simply working as the regular expressions which you have already seen in the compiler automata. Okay, AB plus means, see, AB plus means either this, sorry, AB or any combination of AB. It can be more than one. It cannot be 0, 1 or 2. Okay, if it is 2 means AB AB. Okay, it can be this, it can be anything. So this is clear. AB C star means AB is fixed here. C star means C can be 0, C can be 1, C can be 2. Let's see. AB, here C is 0, C is 1, C is 2, C is 3. Okay, now it's, if it is written in double inverted commas, then it whole will be treated as a single literal. Okay, now this some more you can go through once. If you find any kind of doubt, you can ask. Okay, this for bracket I think we have done, we have covered all these. You can just go through once, note it down. If you find any kind of doubt here, you can just ask. Okay, yes, now watch it. So we have to do this problem with the help of file handling. So just watch how the file handling is done here. You would have already done it. Okay, see, just take the pen here from here. Yeah, pen is taken. Now watch it. YYN is used for the input. See, this is a pointer. Why? This is written as the star. Why? Because it is working as a pointer, or it is a pointer. Okay, and this is a pointer which will accept what? Which will accept the file type data structure. Yeah, so file type data. Okay, see why it file is written here, because the YYN is expecting the input from the file type data structure or file type. Okay, YYN is expecting a input from the file. That is why we have taken the file as the variable. Okay, that is why this pointer is of file data type. Okay, is it clear to you? Now watch it. I think this line should have been made some sense to you now. Extern means what? It means the memory is already created, don't create the memory again, because when we have created the file, see, file name is abc.txt. This is the file abc.txt. Okay, and when we have created and we have put some input here, it means memory is already created. Okay, it is taking some memory. It means memory is already allocated, or the address is already allocated to it. So that is why it is saying at put the extern keyword here. Why? Because memory is already created outside this scope. Okay, so that is why don't create the memory again, or don't allocate the address again. That is why extern is there. Okay, so what do you understand from it? YYN is a pointer which is expecting, or we can simply say YYIN is a pointer which is expecting another file, and it is a pointer of type file. Okay, now next line is saying YYN equal to fopen. Fopen is a function which is in already present in the library, which it means whose code is already present in the library. Fopen, file open. Okay, now it is what? It is the file actually from where you have to access the input. Okay, this is the file name, and comma, this is written as R means we have to just read it. We don't want to write there, we just want to fetch the data from it. So that is why I am accessing this in read mode only. Okay, now whenever the yylex method is encountered, what it does is it will just move to here. Okay, then this is the regular expression for the HTML tags. Okay, now as it will be accepted data, or tokens will be accepted, it will be printed. YY text is simply whenever the input is accepted, it will simply print that data. Okay, now you can also ask, sir, what is YY wrap? YY wrap is what? YY wrap is simply just to know whether your program is successfully completed or not. By help of wrap you can understand. Wrapping up means whenever your program returns the value 0, okay, after the execution of all the program, yyWrap method is yyWrap function is executed, and it will return the value 0, so that you will be knowing that your program has been successfully completed, or it will return fun or -1 for showing any kind of error. I think it is clear. Okay, now what you do, your homework is what? Just to get the information, or to try to understand this, or just draw another regular expression. See, regular expression can be more than one, so I just want you people to draw the regular expression for accepting the HTML tags. Okay, so what is your homework for today? You have to draw the regular expression for accepting the HTML tags and try to understand this. Okay, you will be understand easily. So this is working as a AND here. This whole portion is different, this whole portion is different, and between them it is AND. AND is working. This is alphanumeric accepting, this is greater than, this is less than. Now you will be understanding, getting the idea. Okay, hope you enjoyed and understood the things. So in the next lab session we'll be doing other problem. Okay, thank you all.